Hello, I'm dgerard, and this is Pivot to AI. Usually Monday to Friday, but I missed yesterday, so you get a bonus. Today, nobody wants a computer. They want what it does, not the annoying machine. I'm including phones there. So, I just got a new phone, a Fairphone 5. Thank you to the generous Pivot to AI supporter who had it spare. It's a really nice phone. And Fairphone actively supports the alternate Google-free Android fork EOS, like it's officially supported by Fairphone. It's not just a hacked-on extra. But I've kept this phone to completely stock Android 15 because I need particular commercial apps from the Google Play Store running on a standard system so I can do my stuff. I could muck around with an alternate system and hack the Play Store onto it. Or I could not do that. I'm used to mucking around. I've been on Linux since 2005. It satisfies my control addiction. And I was on FreeBSD before that. I've got like one Windows app I need that doesn't work on Linux in Wine. I run it in a Windows 10 virtual machine, as and when I need it. You get a computer at all because you've got a job to do. So you get software to do the job, and you need to run that software on a machine, and it'll have an operating system platform. Neither the computer nor the platform are supposed to be noticed. If you notice it, your work crashes to a halt. If you're making a platform and anyone notices it, you've already lost. Any platform. Office software and web browsers, they're platforms too. The platform you're doing stuff in all day. Platforms must be transparent. All these platforms start transparent. Then some marketer needs some resume juice. They make the platform go, "Notice me!" and they think they're the star of the show. Windows did that thing. Windows has one job. It's to run 30 years of all your old stuff. Now, Windows 11 gets in your face and wants to be your friend. Linux has always fallen at the fact that people have to notice Linux to use it at all. Linux evangelists are really bad at understanding that people actively do not want to notice their operating system. But Windows, and now even Macintosh, especially with liquid glass, have gone hard into "Notice me." Linux is getting new users because it's less annoying than Windows 11, even for running Windows software, and people discover it basically works now, and it does not try to sell you AI or be your friend. Even the stock Android 15 has delusions of stardom. No, I want the power button to be a power button, not a Gemini button. What on earth? AI gets in your face. It crashes you to a halt. And that's why AI is a failure. This is what happened to Firefox. Firefox started in 2002 as Phoenix, which was very much a blank slate browser project. The Mozilla Suite was the open source version of Netscape 6, an AOL project. It was very fat, full of AOL features, totally notice me. Phoenix's whole selling point was it didn't have that stuff. It just started and there was the web. You wanted the extras, you put in add-ons. Google Chrome started the same way. Blank slate, just browse. Then it slowly decayed into "Notice me!" Internet Explorer started the same way. The simple IE4 in 1997 versus Netscape Navigator bloated with "Notice me." Then IE and later Edge decayed into "Notice me." So Firefox is selling AI to go, "Notice me." This is a loser strategy for losers. This is obvious to everyone who actually uses a web browser, which doesn't include any of the Mozilla C-suite. The users are expressly asking for just a web browser they can just use and not have to notice. If anyone notices your web browser, you've already lost. Generative AI doesn't have a purpose, so it goes, "Notice me," and it demands the user finds a use case for it because it hasn't got one. Then the resume stuffers who think Notice Me is winning, not losing, can't understand why the users hate it so much. Microsoft touts its fabulous new Copilot AI platform, and all the responses are Windows users going, just fix the huge bugs and get out of my face. AI chatbot-based software keeps just not actually working properly. That's the first thing that makes you crash to a halt and notice it. If it wasn't a lying chatbot, we'd have a working system that we could start at. If you're adding sparkly icons now with AI features to your software, you're in quarterly driven failure. You're begging a competitor to do the stripped down version. Computers suck and they're terrible. I'm a professional, I can assure you, you're not wrong about that. I've got stuff to do. If I ever notice the computer, it's failed me. If your competitor's gone into Notice Me decay, it's terminal. Start a blank slate drop-in replacement. They've got it coming. Also, send money to the servo browser. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Don't forget to tell everyone you know about this episode and why computers suck so much. Hit like, subscribe, do a review, and please do send your $5 to the Patreon linked in the show notes. This keeps us going. Thank you all. I'll see you Monday, and bye for now.